Count and write. Count the pictures and write the numbers. So let's see how many trees we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 trees. Now let's see how many hats we have. 1, 2. We have 2 hats. Now count the apples and see how many apples we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 apples. Now let's see how many ducks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12